and gentlemen, Big Rob here. I am the co-creator, co-founder of Dreammaker, and what you see right here is one of the indicators of the Ultimate Dreammaker system. We also have the Miracle Money, but what you're seeing right here is the complete Forex system. Okay, if you are in Forex, you've been trading for a while and you're losing trades, losing a lot of money, or you're getting into Forex for the first time and you really don't know what you're doing, okay, this complete system right here will simplify and basically take out all the frustrations when it comes to trading. What you're seeing right here, as you can see, this account was $60 and I grew it to $185, and now the equity, as you can see, is going up. I'm in trades right now, as you can see, and all I do is follow exactly what it tells me to do. This entire indicator, is what you see right here, this is the scanner. It goes out, scans the market, and it finds trending pairs. Okay? Once you click on it, it opens up the charts that you see here. You just get into the trade. That's it. It's that simple. Like I said, I made it easy. We made it easy for the average person to finally win in the world of Forex. So I highly suggest you guys, if you're interested, want to know more about the indicators, what we have, please go to the website. That's going to be listed in the description box below or on the screen. Check it out for yourself, and if you decide that, hey, I want to go ahead and get this, hey, follow the directions on the website. All right, I'm out for now. Take care. God bless. Talk to you soon.